Gabrielle, as of 8 a.m. advisory or 11 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time, which is 9. It's 9 a.m. right now in my time. Its structure has not changed very much since previous advisory. Cold convection surrounding the eye and the eye wall, -7C. However, a recent microwave package showed that the tilt between low level eye at 37 GHZ and the mid level eye at 89 GHZ will start to increase. Given little change in structure, it is not surprising that the subjective satellite intensity estimates remain steady. So they went with 20 knots, 120 knots this advisory. It should be weakening over next day, as of course it could have EWRC, but also increasing shear. Um, the reasoning is the same from earlier today. Um, Nothing has really changed. With Gabrielle, let's see. Let's load this. Yeah, as you can see, it's being undertaken by some shear. As you can see, it's moving northeastward. Um, there's the track. We got hurricane. We got hurricane watches for the Azores right now, so it's expected to hit the Azores as a hurricane. Um, but it will be weakening, as I talked about earlier today. Um, yeah. Anyway, now we're going to go to Narda, which, let's see what it has done. It's now a hurricane. It has 68 to 77 knot winds. Based on satellite estimates, it was 75 knots, I agree. The hurricane is moving westward and should remain so, but then turn more northwestward later in the period, as I talked about earlier. I think it will definitely become a major, maybe 120 knots, in my opinion. Um, yeah, here's the track for our hurricane. Wow. Yeah. Based on the models, model reasoning is the same that I talked about a few hours ago. We'll take a look at Narda. Let's load it. Yep, there it is. Hurricane Narda. Look at that eye. Nice eye forming. This thing's going to go to town, probably 120 knots, as I said. Next, we're going to look at 94 or 93. Becoming a little bit organized. Convection reforming over it nicely. Let's look at 94. I mean, not really going to town, but LCC's about right there. Should move through the very island of Puerto Rico in the next 24 hours, then potentially form into a tropical cyclone not far after that. Mm, really, nothing really. We got really no other data, but here's the latest ECWF. Yeah, here's the latest GFS for both systems. Same reasoning as earlier. That's your tropical update.